Have you ever wondered why some people manage to get rich while others are always struggling? The truth is that millionaires don't rely on luck. They follow financial habits that anyone can learn and apply. If you feel like your money never stretches, have trouble saving, or simply want to build a solid financial future, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 habits the rich use to organize their money and multiply their wealth. These are simple, proven techniques that can transform your financial life. Stay until the end, because the last habit is the most powerful and almost no one talks about it. The problem for most people isn't that they earn little, but that they don't know how to manage what they earn. Money comes in and out quickly, bills pile up, consumption impulses win, and by the end of the month, the bank balance feels like a desert. What separates a rich person from someone who is always struggling isn't just the salary, but the mindset and financial habits. If you keep making the same mistakes, your financial life will never change. But if you start applying the habits I'm about to show you, it could completely transform your future. Ready? Let's go straight to the first habit. The first habit is to pay yourself first. Most people make the mistake of spending everything they earn and only thinking about saving what's left at the end of the month, but almost always, there's nothing left. The rich do exactly the opposite. Before paying bills or spending on leisure, they set aside a portion of their income for investments and wealth building. This simple habit ensures that money works for them instead of being slaves to their salary. Warren Buffett, one of the world's greatest investors, started with small investments and built a financial empire over the years. The secret is to treat this reserve as an unbreakable commitment, not as something optional. To apply this habit in your life, start by setting aside at least 10% of your income as soon as you receive your payment. If possible, automate this process by directing the amount to an investment account or an emergency fund. What's important is not the initial amount, but consistency. Over time, the effect of compound interest will multiply your wealth, and you'll see that small sacrifices today can guarantee a financially secure life in the future. The second habit is to have multiple streams of income. Relying on just one salary is one of the biggest financial risks anyone can take. If that single income source is compromised, all financial stability disappears in an instant. The rich understand this and always seek to diversify their earnings. Jeff Bezos, for example, started by selling books online, but expanded into various areas, turning Amazon into an empire. The secret is to create new income streams that act as a safety cushion, ensuring stability even in the face of economic crises or unforeseen events. To apply this habit in your life, start exploring ways to make money beyond your main job. This could include an online business, freelance services, real estate rentals, investments in stocks, or even a digital product. The key is to build income streams that can grow over time and, if possible, generate passive income. The more revenue streams you have, the greater your financial security, and the faster you can achieve financial freedom. The third habit is to avoid bad debt. Not all debt is harmful, but many people fall into the trap of easy credit and end up drowning in debt that drains their finances. Bad debt is debt used for immediate consumption, such as unplanned installment purchases, financing goods that lose value, and uncontrolled credit card use. The rich know how to differentiate this and avoid committing their income to liabilities that don't provide financial returns. Instead, they use credit strategically, only to invest in something that can generate more money, such as assets or professional development. If you already have bad debt, the first step is to create a plan to pay it off, starting with those with the highest interest rates. Then, adopt a new mindset. Use credit only to leverage your income or acquire something that will bring a return in the future. Before taking on any debt, ask yourself, will this help me earn more money or just give me a false sense of wealth? The key to financial freedom isn't just making more money, but avoiding letting your money slip through your fingers with unnecessary spending. The fourth habit is to manage your spending like a business owner. The rich don't spend without planning. They manage their money as if they were running a business. Before making any financial decisions, they assess their income, expenses, and evaluate whether each expenditure really makes sense. Successful business owners don't waste money on unnecessary costs, and this same mindset can be applied to personal finances. Having clarity about where your money is going allows you to cut excesses without compromising your quality of life and direct more resources toward investments and financial growth. To apply this habit, start by recording all your expenses and categorizing them. Use financial apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook to monitor your personal cash flow. Set a realistic budget and eliminate unnecessary expenses that don't add value to your life. Small adjustments, like reducing unnecessary subscriptions, avoiding impulse purchases, and negotiating better payment terms, can lead to significant savings over time. When you start treating your money as a valuable asset and not something that can be wasted, your wealth begins to grow naturally. The fifth habit is to invest for the long term. The rich know that saving money isn't enough to ensure prosperity. They invest their money wisely, allowing it to grow over time, especially through the power of compound interest. While many people seek immediate results, millionaires have patience and a long-term vision. Investments in stocks, real estate funds, and other assets provide the opportunity to generate continuous returns that accumulate and multiply over the years, creating significant wealth. The secret is to start early and be consistent, allowing time to work in your favor. To apply this habit, it's important to start investing as soon as possible, even with small amounts. The financial market offers various options, from more conservative investments, like fixed income, to bolder options, like stocks and cryptocurrencies. The most important thing is to have a long-term strategy, avoiding the temptation to sell at the first difficulty or chase quick profits. Remember, the true power of investing lies in discipline and patience. The sooner you start, the greater the impact these investments will have on your financial future. Now that you know the 5 habits the rich use to build and multiply their wealth, the question is, are you ready to transform your financial life? It's not just about making more money, but adopting a mindset of prosperity and financial discipline. Applying these habits may seem simple, but it requires consistency and commitment. If you start practicing them today, in time you'll see a significant change in your financial health, reaching goals that once seemed distant. Remember, the difference between those always struggling and those building a solid financial future lies in daily actions. Now, you have the knowledge needed to change your trajectory. Which of these habits do you already practice or plan to start? Write it in the comments and share with us. And if this content helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to keep receiving powerful tips like this. Let's go together on this journey toward financial freedom.